Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very nice 74 degrees here in Franklin, and we're definitely feeling spring coming on. The grass is definitely starting to green up a little bit. It's slow, but it's coming along. So today we are gonna do something a little bit different, which is something that I've been having to deal with over the last couple of years, and that is my armadillo problem. If you guys recall, the armadillo really likes to come around in the morning during spring, summer, fall, and get his breakfast from my lawn. And what he's doing is he's digging up the flower beds, he's digging up the grass, and what he's trying to get to is the grubs. So the best way to get rid of an armadillo or even moles in your lawn is to get rid of their food source. So that's what I'm gonna work on today. Now I did do a video back in the fall where we tried a product that was more meant for spot treating the entire lawn and getting rid of the grubs like later on in the season. The best time to take care of grubs is in the spring and no later than early summer. And the product that we're going to use today is going to be GrubEX. Now, GrubEX, the way it works, I'm not even going to try and pronounce the active ingredient, but the way it works, it kills off the grubs, which are basically larvae, however you pronounce it. They are the larvae of Japanese beetles. So you want to take care of them early on before they start to mature. Now, some people will argue that grubs are good for the lawn because they do help aerate the soil and that sort of thing. The problem is that when you get an infestation, which I don't have, but if you get an infestation of them, what they're eating is the roots of your lawn, which ultimately will kill your lawn if you let it get bad. So we're going to try and eliminate all that. I don't want to have a grub issue. What we're going to do is get rid of the grubs as a food source for the armadillos. It's also going to eliminate any possibility of me getting moles in the yard, which I haven't had a mole problem yet, knock on wood, but this isn't going to be my lawn soon, so I'm trying to make sure that that's getting taken care of for the new owners of this house. As much as I would prefer to deal with these critters in a different manner, the preferred method of me dealing with these critters is frowned upon in the neighborhood. So we're going to have to do it a more kinder and gentler way, which is to help them find their source of breakfast somewhere else. So the product that we're going to be using is this Scott's product, which is GrubEX. And as it shows here, it works for about 4 months, which is perfect because it's going to take us through, right now we're in mid-March. That's going to take us through the middle of July, which is perfect because after July, you wouldn't want to apply this product anyway. You're going to have to deal with grubs in a different way. This is perfect. This is the perfect time of the year to take care of grubs. Like I said, you know, there are people that will argue that grubs are actually good for the lawn, and I don't disagree with them. But in my particular case, what I'm trying to get rid of is the critters that are tearing up my lawn and tearing up my flower beds. So this is going to be my preferred method, and we're just going to encourage them to move elsewhere. As you can tell, it's a little bit cloudy today. We're supposed to get rain tomorrow and the next day. Once this product is put into the lawn, it does need water in order to be activated. So the timing should be perfect. I don't have to worry about irrigation. We can just use a natural rain to get it all started. So let's get in the lawn and we'll go from there. Oh, one final thought on this product is that this bag does cover 5,000 square feet. My lawn, as you all know, is about 6,500 square feet. It should be fine. I need to take care of the majority of the yard. I haven't seen the armadillos down in the putting green area or actually even on the hill at all. They're mostly around the house, so as long as I get the coverage around there, I think that'll help encourage them to stay away. So that's what we're working on today. Let's get it going. All right, everybody, well, that's all I have for today. So hopefully this GrubEX will work and take care of eliminating, or at least helping to deter a lot of the critter problem in my backyard. The armadillos are they're just a nuisance. They love to tear up everything, especially the grass and the flower beds. So I'm hoping that that'll be the end of that. I'm probably gonna do this on my new lawn as well. In fact, now that I mentioned it, I'm getting a lot of comments from people asking to see the new lawn. Trust me, I want to be in there as fast as anybody. Unfortunately, there are renters in the house right now, and they are not allowing us into the house or near it until after March 31st. So once we get those folks moving on, then I'll give you guys a quick preview of what it's gonna look like. It's approximately, based off of the satellite images that I look at on Google Maps, it's probably about 4,000 to 5,000 square feet. So it's a little bit less than this if you eliminate the putting green down here. So, you know, it's a quality issue, not a quantity issue, if you know what I mean. But lots of projects there. The grass needs a lot of love. In fact, the front yard is probably going to be smoked off and killed before we do something new there. But I'm still trying to think through that before I get started. The backyard will probably be a fall project because I'm gonna have to do some cool season grass back there. The front will be Bermuda, of course. Hopefully that's soon to come, and we'll be able to start on those projects pretty soon. But for now, we'll keep taking care of this lawn. You know, it's gonna be somebody else's, and I definitely wanna make sure that I take care of it and that they are set up for success for the lawn season this year. So with that, if you like this video, don't forget to like, and if I've earned your subscription, don't forget to subscribe as well. And if you wanna be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell, and we will see you on the next one. Have a good week, everybody, and we will talk to you soon.